You ready to print? Let's print. And yes, I brought a couple ponchos.
Oh no.
Oh no.
This makes it wonky.
Yeah, this is like 600.
No.
Why?
No.
It's not 7.
Not that is where me, Sam, and Justin own that.
What? Him and him? This is like 600 bucks. I have one.
We're good. You don't need a second.
Okay, we'll just put it on the side.
Okay, put it on the side. No, you're not taking mine.
Imagine being such a peasant. You have to divide a $600 card by 3. All right, let's add this shit.
All right. Oh fuck, me and Justin on that too.
Okay, I don't care. I agree with these.
Okay,
Agree 6, 3, sure. It's like what, 180, 200, something like that.
200.
Sure. 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 And we do this on 350 again. Oh, yeah, you just print. You just printed on me $350 coin flip.
I evaluated this at 4 when I bought it.
We're gonna go lower now because you just printed on me on that coin flip. You're gonna put this in at 350, bro. Come on.
Do another giant coin flip?
Maybe. Let's just do the value here. Quick. What'd you pay? 90%?
I probably paid. I paid 4.7. No, I'm not.
4.7?
Yes.
Damn, I could have bought them at 4.6.
But I've been into these for a while.
Yeah, I know why. Because they're 2 certs.
Yeah. Yeah, they're my 2 certs.
No, I'm fair. 600. We already agreed to 6. 180, your price. 90, your price. 140, your price. 150, your price. 300, your price. 200, your price. And then 350. No way you're alting every card.
No.
Look at her, bro. You're pissing her off.
I altered one card I didn't have a sticker on. Jiminy Crickets.
What'd you say?
Jiminy Crickets.
That is such a thing to say.
All right. What do you want to do?
19-2, flip.
What was it? 23.30, right?
Yeah. 19-2. This is 85%.
You know you're actually due to win.
No. 17.
Whoa. What are we? You want to pay full comp? 17.24.
17-22.
17.20.
$500 flip.
17.23.
No. $500 flip. 17-22.
17.23.
No. Oliver can just do a small flip at 19 and 2. You just beat me on 250.
I don't want to do 19.2 because then your middle is that. So 19.2 makes no sense in your middle.
Okay, 19, 20, 50. Small flip.
19, 50, 20, 50.
No, I'm not paying you 2K.
It's not. Dude, you're gonna pay me
Come on, bro.
You would pay 2K though.
Come on, bro.
You want to pay 2K?
No, I'm not. I'm paying you
Pay
19.
2K. No flip.
No.
For the content.
What did I say? 1950.
You said 1950. No, you said
2150.
2150.
So I would pay you 1975. 1975 is the middle point.
1925.
No, middle point is not going to be 2K. It's going to be 1975. I need to win this mental war, bro. I need to beat you on this $25 mental battle. Come
You can
on.
only beat me when you lower yourself. Like if I'm standing straight, I win.
Can we just do this?
They're really low cost.
I'm limited on time.
I'm only flip for the flip. So you want what? You want 19.2, right?
Yeah.
I want
19-2-1.
I want 19.21. So you call the
Okay.
first. You
If
call
I win the first flip, we're going to do 19-2-1. If I lose the flip, we're going to flip 19-2. No.
19.21.
Yeah, sorry.
So
If I win the flip, it's going to be 19 or 2.
Yeah. So this is just to call. This
Yeah.
is just to
Throw it right here. Go. Go, good flip. Tails. Come on, please. I still have a chance if I lose. That's tails. That's tails. All right, 19 or 2. You throw again, right here.
What's the best of 3
I
flip?
can't win. I can't lose twice. Right?
Hold on.
Really?
What is the best?
1900 or 2K.
No.
Charizard, Gengar, Pikachu, Birds, Leafeon, Glaceon, Rayquaza, Articuno, and Charizard. I won the flip for the flip. I'm gonna, you throw, I call. 1900, 2K. Throw it right here. Tails, holy shit. What the hell was that? I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you what it is. No. I said tails, right? I said tails. Fuck, it's heads. How did you throw it on the wall on the other side of the booth?
I get anxiety.
You made me redo my flip and it didn't land.
Yeah, but I said here, so ground is ground. Ground is ground. I said right here. And this guy threw it over there. I got all excited. I beat you on the first flip.
Dude, you know what it sucked though is if I won the first flip and then lost the second flip, that would have fucking
Oh, yeah.
blown. That would have blown.
I didn't want Mew VMAX. No, it wasn't Mew.
Blaziken?
Blaziken, yeah.
Blaziken?
That was
I
it.
might have sold another one. I forgot which one.
I'll tell you right now. 420 plus 300. We said 350. You said 3 what?
370.
Plus 650.
I thought 675 on that one.
What did you say?
675. 675, 370.
So 1765 market. I'll flip you 15 or 16. Deal? 15 or 16.
Can we do 50-50? Straight up?
No flip? I keep the guard?
I gotta keep I pay $10 each on these arbors.
Ah!
Don't they add up?
Okay, flip.
I don't like flips, bro. I really don't.
Give me the guards. I want these guards. The guards look nice.
I know they do. That's why I want them.
I want them. 50-50 flip. With, oh no, I'll take 50-50 and I'll give you 50-50. With the guards.
50-50, I keep the guards though. Dude.
15-30, no guards.
What?
20 bucks for $40 of guards. Fair.
The guards don't even come included anywhere.
What, just for display?
Yeah, just for display.
You're just for teasing me? Giratina, Blaziken, Umbreon Darkrai, and Lily Clefairy. 15-50. Thank you, sir. Whose cards are these? Are these yours?
Yeah.
I like your slabs.
Okay. Yeah?
Do you want to do a deal?
You offer it.
85%? On market?
Depends what you take.
Okay. Gardevoir, Sylveon, Eevee, Blastoise, full first row. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. That's kind of high. 250. I think market's like 180. I think. This one market's like 885. I think. Are these all yours?
Yeah.
That's what I want from here. You cool with those?
Keep going. We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah,
Here, Reshiram Charizard. And I think that's it. Maybe that Pikachu. Can I tell you which ones I want here?
yeah.
This? Can I just alt it? I'm curious. And I'll just make you an offer. What do you want on these?
I'd honestly would rather trade on some of these. That's why I'm not too keen on liquidating them. I'd rather trade up on a lot, like the bigger ones.
Let me see. This is all your slabs, right? Is that your two?
Yeah, it's my
Let me see. I might take them. I need these 3 Pikachus as well, plus the Sylveon and the Gardevoir. Actually, Gardevoir's 350. I thought it's like 200.
I don't know. They totally dropped. I wouldn't be surprised.
Do you want to sell it or no?
It's not very liquid. I don't mind selling it.
These 3 Pikas and those 2. I need these 3. I have stuff you might like. I have crazy shit.
I'll think about that.
Let me show you what I have. Let me check this out. I know what you want. I know exactly what you want. You want ponchos. Or do you want a black label Lugia?
Definitely don't want to blend it.
Okay, let me see what can I give you that you would want. What if I gave you an Umbreon VMAX? Like for trade, for liquid. Okay. How happy would this make you? I would need high on it. Like I would need like 5,800 trade value. You can get like 5.5 cash for that. You don't want it?
I want it for myself. That's why I don't want to trade that much for it. I just want it. Like, I don't want it.
You tell me what you want on these. We can do a separate deal on these.
Yeah.
This. Clear out the. I'll keep this if you want, I guess.
Like,
Yeah.
These two are the ones I like the most. I'm most likely to hang on to them.
Okay. These. Maybe this. This I don't.
I want to keep these two.
Okay.
I like them.
This and this.
My favorites.
And this. This is the Gardevoir comps. 180, 300, and then 140.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
I think like 200-ish is fair. 2 to 240 on the Gardevoir. This is pretty fair. This is like 320, 325, and then 375. Market 350 on this. Is that fair? I'm just checking alt last solds. This is the last solds 310, 305, and 285. It's like 300 bucks. I know the rest are accurate. Fair. This is like 270-ish. That's like 220, 230. I'll just tell you what I would offer you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be PayPal. If you're cool with that. It's gonna be PayPal. 2,900 market. 28 to 29, but I'll say 29 just to help you out. I'll flip you 24 or 25. This is like 260.
Yeah.
This is like 85. This is like 220. This is like 380, 390. This is like 330 to 350. This is like 280 to 300 market.
Alright, 4, 2, 5?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
You want to throw or you want me to throw?
You can throw.
What was your name again?
Austin?
Austin. All right, let me just show the camera what we're doing.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of tag teams. Reshiram Charizard, Mega Lopunny Jigglypuff, Eevee, Blastoise, Solgaleo, Gardevoir, Sylveon, a Rainbow Zard, a tag team Raichu, Gardevoir, Sylveon, Charizard, Giratina, and another Pikachu. Market is about 2,900. We're gonna flip 24 or 25. You throw, I call?
You throw. I'll go.
I throw, you call? Right here or on the ground?
Sounds good.
Ground's good? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. He says heads. It is, that looks like tails, I think. Let me see. Yeah, that's tails. Appreciate you. 2,500, or 2,400, sorry.
I'm like, I can't even tell.
Yeah, I was like, that looks like not the face. Hello,
How's it going?
how you doing?
Good.
Are you okay with doing a deal if I take a few cards? Slabs?
I wouldn't go lower than 90%.
Lower than 90. Would you do 87%? PayPal, friends and family?
I can't do friends and family.
Zelle?
I don't have It's all got to be reported to the IRS. So.
I mean, if you're cool with that on goods and service, I don't
Huh?
mind. You want to do that goods and service? I don't care. If you're cool with that.
Nah, I'd be okay. I did pretty good, so. You're gonna want higher end stuff, right?
Eevee, Snorlax, Charizard, Espeon, Lugia, both these Umbreons, Giratina, Pikachu, Umbreon, Mew, Charizard, Mew, Blaziken,
Yeah, it's all the big stuff.
yeah, Blastoise, Piplup, Rainbow Zard. That is everything. And the Rainbow Pikachu. That's all the slabs I want. If I paid you physical cash, could you do 87? I haven't paid anyone cash, but I'll do cash. This is all the cash I have. We can just add it out if you want, and then you can just say yes or no.
Yeah, figure out.
Can I take them out, the ones I want? Is that okay with you? Thank you. Total was, market was 4,580. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1K?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2K? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3K. I think I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $4,000. Let me do the math real quick. Are you cool with 4 flat? Cash? Was it like 88%, 89%?
I'll flip you for the 441.
4K or 41? Want to flip 39.41? Cash? I kind of want to be at 4, but I'll flip you $100 up or down if you want. Depends if you're feeling risky. You said you had a good show if you want to risk it a little bit. How about this? 39. Do I even have the, do you have change?
Yeah.
50 bucks. 39.50, 41. Flip.
We'll do a 3950, 41 flip.
Yeah?
Yep.
Let's do it. All right. You said your name was?
Tyler.
Tyler.
Yep.
I'm with Tyler. We're flipping nice little lot actually. Babies, Lugia, 2 Umbreons, Blastoise Piplup, Rainbow Zard, Hidden Fates Charizard, 2 Bubble Mews, Yokohama Pikachu, Umbreon, Blaziken, Charizard, Espeon, another Charizard, Pikachu, and another tag team Eevee. We're gonna flip 3950 or 4100. You wanna throw it or do you wanna throw it?
Yep.
Are you cool on the ground over here?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Tails, 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 tails. That is tails. Appreciate you. 39.50, my friend.
3950.
Thank you.